Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the new X2 from Audio Productions. So this is it right here, and just came in the mail. So right now I just ordered this for $1.99. Just wanted to give my review. So it came, well packaged. Doesn't seem like anything moved around much. I got it on Amazon. Comes in this package here, so let me just kind of switch hands, pull this off. And it's from Stella, of course, so Stella X2. And I got it in about, honestly, like 3 days. So the box that it comes in seems pretty durable, nice quality. So opening up here, you've got a hard shell case that it comes in. Gotta say this feels, it's kind of cheap, but it's nice. I mean, for $199, really nice. So looks like it's kind of in the matte black finish here, powder coated possibly. And here's all the specs it looks like on the back, which is kind of cool. So anyways, let's open this up here. So let's see what we got. All right. Okay, cool. So you get the felt inlay box here, get all your manuals. Signature looks like showing the test completion cycle, all the different options and selections you have on the mic itself. So pretty cool there. I'll read through that more. Comes with a, looks like probably a vinyl. I'm not sure this is leather pouch, but it does have the TZ Audio Products logo here. Kind of unzip that. Let's check it out. So you just kind of get the felt gray inline there. Looks like we got our cone type pop filter. Pretty decent quality. Seems all right. And then we've got the shock mount here, it looks like, for the mouse. Sorry guys, I'm doing this while trying to hold the phone. Anyways, yeah, not too bad. It's got the bungee bands here for any movement on vibration aid for the mic support and everything. Seems fairly solid. I mean quality wise, I have to say it's pretty nice for what you get. Again, I mean the box feels a little bit cheap, compared to other higher end mics that I've got. Oh wow. So I gotta say though that this mic itself feels very high quality. I mean, it just, the capsule here, I can tell if I were to take that off, which we can do. Yeah, it just feels really nice. Looks like my fingers do print or leave residue and prints on the mic, but obviously I don't think we're going to be touching the mic once it's installed, and big deal. So cosmetically looks nice. Durability wise feels very nice. And let me try to hold the phone here. Sorry. Let me set you up here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to, I think you'll be able to unscrew this, maybe not. I would have thought. Alright, I guess I'm looking a little ridiculous here, but okay, this part definitely comes off. Oh yeah. I guess I just wanted to see if you could take the top portion of this off. Looks like everything's inside here. Give you a look if you can see kind of around the edges. So I'll have to look and see if that other part will come off of here, but yeah, it feels nice. I mean, the metal mesh grill on here seems a lot better quality. You can kind of hear that. So it is metal, it's not plastic. But there you go guys. I will try to do another sound testing video clip here, but just wanted to do an unboxing of what you get, and more to come. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer anything that I can, so thanks a lot.